Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this smartband. First we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see the battery percentage right here at the top. You can also check the battery level another way. To do it, open the watch face menu by pressing and holding on the current watch face, then tap on the edit icon under one of the watch faces to edit the watch face, and here we can change the widget to battery level. So we can swipe until we find the battery, like that, and then we can swipe right on the screen, tap on the check mark to apply. And now the watch face will display our battery level. You can also check this in the phone application. So if we move the watch to the side, bring the phone right here, zoom out the camera, like that, open the Zap application on the phone that is paired with our watch, you will see your watch right here should be displayed, but as you can see it's syncing data. But we can tap on profile, select our AMAZFIT Band 7, and we have battery level right here. But on the home page, once the device syncs with your phone, it will be displayed right here at the top. Okay, and that's how you check the battery level on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.